Labicare is a brand manufactured by SK Scientific and Surgicals, who manufactures ISO, European for Digit Notified, CDSCO certified products. Presenting our advanced deep freezer 40, model number SKSS372. Outer material. The outer body is made from durable powder-coated mild steel MS, offering excellent corrosion resistance and a long-lasting finish suitable for medical and laboratory environments. Customized outer body in stainless steel SS is also available upon request, providing added durability and hygiene for specialized applications. Digital display. The freezer features a smart digital temperature controller with a clear display for real-time monitoring. It ensures accurate control down to -40 degrees Celsius and includes alarms for high, low temperature, power failure, and open door alerts. A lockable control panel helps prevent unauthorized adjustments. Inner material and shelves. The interior is built with high-quality stainless steel SS for superior hygiene and easy maintenance. It includes removable SS shelves within smooth sliding drawers designed for organized, flexible storage. These shelves are strong, rust-resistant, and easy to clean, ideal for sensitive samples. Lock system. Security is ensured with a robust outer door lock and individual inner drawer locks, offering double-layer protection for valuable and sensitive materials. Lock system. Security is ensured with a robust outer door lock and individual inner drawer locks, offering double-layer protection for valuable and sensitive materials.
Thank you for watching our video. For more information, contact at 9996888877 or email at info.skscientificindia@gmail.com.